Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am here, your English teacher, for your today's English online class. I hope all of you will be fine and safe at your homes. Clear? In today's lecture, I am going to revise with you past continuous tense and your past perfect tense. First of all, I am going to start with past continuous tense. What is tense? Tense is time. And time is divided into three parts: present, past and future. Clear? So in today's lecture I'm going to focus on past continuous tense and past perfect tense. In past continuous tense we have subject, verb and object, and the helping verb will be what? Was and were. Clear? Our helping verbs will be was and were. Clear? So in Urdu we are having पहचान, रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे and रही थी. Clear? रही थी. So let's start with the positive sentences. In positive sentences you will have subject, helping verb was or verb according to the subject, fourth form of verb and object. Clear? So the first sentence is वो स्कूल जा रही थी. What will be its translation? वो स्कूल जा रही थी. So वो स्कूल जा रही थी. Our subject is singular. So she was going to school. मैं बाज़ार जा रही थी. Subject is again singular. I was going to school. अली आज मस्जिद जा रहा था. Ali, again singular subject. Ali was going to mosque. वो किताब पढ़ रहे थे. Now we have plural subject, so we will write word they. They, and helping verb will be what? Were, according to the subject. They were reading the book. तुम शादी पर जा रही थी. You were going to the wedding. Going to the wedding. सुमेरा नमाज पढ़ रही थी. Sumaira, singular subject was. Sumaira was saying the prayer. This is positive sentences. Clear? Sumaira was saying the prayer. Now I am going to start negative sentences. So in negative sentences we will have subject, was or were according to the subject. If singular was, if plural were. Not plus fourth form of verb plus object. हम स्कूल नहीं जा रहे थे. We were not going to school. तुम पौधों को पानी नहीं दे रही थी. You were not watering the plants. Full stop. वो गाना नहीं गा रहा था. He was not eating meal. Clear? This is your negative sentences. I hope both of the sentences are clear to you all. Now interrogative sentences. Clear? Question mark or question sentences. Clear? The first sentence is क्या आप अपना काम कर रहे थे. Were you doing your work क्वेश्चन मार्क विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. क्लियर? क्या तुम नमाज पढ़ रही थी? वर यू ऑफरिंग द प्रेयर और sang द प्रेयर? क्वेश्चन मार्क. क्या वो पतंग उड़ा रहा था? वॉज ही फ्लाइंग द काइट? क्वेश्चन मार्क. क्या वो क्या कर रही थी? What was she doing? What was she doing? Clear? Question mark. In interrogative sentences, what you will do, the helping verb in the beginning, then we will have subject, then your helping verb, the fourth form of verb, and then your object. Clear? I hope this tense is clear to you all. And now I'm moving towards past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. In past perfect tense, it's very easy. We have subject, helping verb with all of the subject will be had. Third form of verb and plus object and full stop. It is very simple tense because you will have just helping verb had and the third form of verb. Let's start. With all the subjects I, we, you, they, he, she or any name singular or plural you will write helping verb had. So मैं किताब खरीद चुकी थी. I had bought the book. अली अपना काम ख़त्म कर चुका था. Ali had finished his homework. You had offered the prayer. Clear? So these are your positive sentences. Now we will start the negative one. Subject, helping verb had, plus not, plus third form of verb, plus object. Clear? So first sentence is मैं पौधों को पानी दे चुकी थी. मैं पौधों को पानी दे चुकी थी. I had नहीं दे चुकी थी. मैं पौधों को पानी नहीं दे चुकी थी. I had not watered the plants. मेरे अब्बू घर नहीं आ चुके थे. My father had not come home. साद कपड़े नहीं धो चुका था. साद had not washed the clothes. Clear? These are negative sentences. Now I am moving to interrogative sentences. क्या ज़ारा अपना काम ख़त्म कर चुकी थी? So we will have had in the beginning, then subject, then third form of verb, then object, and then in the end question mark. Had Zara finished her work? Question mark. Then I have क्या हिना जूते पॉलिश कर चुकी थी? Had हिना polished the shoes? क्या तुम घर पहुंच चुकी थी? Had you reached home? So these are about your tenses. Present, the past continuous and the past perfect tense. I hope both the tenses are clear to you all, and now you will be able to do your homework. Clear? So I'm giving you some tasks. At your home you will do what? You will do practice of both the tenses, past continuous and past perfect tense, by translating Urdu sentences into English. In past continuous tense you are having sentences that are ending with रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे. And in this sentence you will have helping verb was and were with the fourth form of verb. Then you have चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे. And in this tense you are having just had. So I hope both the tenses are clear to you all, and you will do your homework very easily. This is all about your today's lecture. Now I am going to end my lecture. So stay home and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.